The Grand Video Conference of How to Get Away from My Toxic Family. Of course, brought to you by OGD Productions and Creative Dead. I'd like to call in once again the creatives and cast of How to Get Away from My Toxic Family. The producer, Mr. OG Diaz.
Wala lang kung magugustuhan ninyo, mabubwisit kayo, magagalit kayo, o maiintindihan ninyo.
The writer, Mr. John Padilla.
Napaka-relevant ng kwento at lalo na sa henerasyon ngayon.
Johara Asayo.
Maraming salamat po for
Tina Pineda.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tao na nagdaan ng oras para po makapunta.
Miss Leslie Dina.
We're very excited to share this story about family.
Miss Kim Rodriguez.
Maraming salamat po and sana po ma-enjoy niyo yung movie.
Mr. Richard Juan.
Thanks everyone for being here. Lalo na ngayon, much appreciated.
The one and only Miss Susan Africa.
And we hope that you will, can I say, enjoy the movie?
Yeah. And playing the role of Arsenio, Mr. Zanjo Marudo.
Sana po mag-enjoy kayo at may makuha kayong lesson sa pelikula na.
Happy birthday, Z!
Nung mapanood yung pelikula, parang nalulupay-pay ka sa bigla. Kasi totoo naman nangyayari.
Sinabay namin sa panahon ito ngayon ng Gen Z.
Sana kahit paano, after nila manood ng pelikula ko, may mabago sa mga ugali nila at sa mga relasyon nila sa loob ng bahay nila.
How to Get Away from a Toxic Family, July 13 na po yan.